Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, I don't have to get that crazy because we only had 40 today for our high at O'Hare. But remember, the last 6 days we have been in the 30s. It's been very cold and blustery out there, and I'm tired. How many times I gotta tell you? I am tired of this nonsense. I'm ready to get into full swing. But you know what? This is a common feature where you have a very strong high that just sits over the Great Lakes or just a little bit farther to the north in southern Canada, and then just sits there, spins, sit and spins. Remember that game, Sit and Spin, where you could turn yourself? I love that. It'd be a little bit too big now for sit and spin, but anyhow, it just spins out there, and then those winds come off the lake, and things are really chilly. But we're making changes, and just get a couple of days in the mid-40s, and look what happens. I'm bouncing off the walls. So right now we're checking temperatures. Actually, are just depleting from this graphic as we speak. Oh, I turned that over fast. But actually, it made it up to 40 degrees at O'Hare, 42 in Peoria, 43 in Minneapolis. And you know what? Temperatures are increasing about a good 5 degrees here in Chicago. So that is good news. Now, we continue to ride this cool weather pattern as that jet continues to stay pretty neutral. That warmth of warm air, that gorgeousness, stays out to the southwest and also into Florida. I can't wait to be going there in a couple of weeks. But then we actually bring in a little bit of some, not that it's going to be cooler weather, but we're bringing in a next storm system is going to give us some rain, and it'll keep some rain in the forecast even for Saturday and Sunday. But Saturday, it's starting the warm air advection. That's the WAA. That's going to be tapping in, and so we're going to start seeing those winds the south-southwest, and then the warmth actually comes very warm on Sunday, except for we're not seeing any sunshine or anything. We're going to have probably some stormy weather, and then the coolness does happen early next week. But all I can say is I continue to keep an eye on it, and of course we'll make some bigger changes where we're going to get a little bit more warmth. Did you know a year ago this week we had, moving into 1st of April, we had temperatures in the 80s? Oh, if we could only have that, but not going to happen. So what we've been missing is for the last week is several disturbances, and there was one that passed us just to the south of us, didn't bring anything to us except for some cloud cover, and tonight it's going to increase some cloud cover as that storm moves through. So I've got cloudy skies tonight. That cloud cover will help keep from daytime warmth from dropping temperatures too much, and so we'll see overnight lows more in the mid-20s instead of being in the lower 20s. Then we'll have plenty of clear skies by Wednesday afternoon, and we'll keep nice and sunny even for Thursday. But then we've got the next storm system coming in, so it'll bring in some wet weather for the Cubs game. I think most of it, however, is going to be in the form of rain, as temperatures will be well above 32. Here is our precip accumulation. This goes all the way out. Well, that's a dead graphic. Does go all the way out until Friday afternoon, very light, and then we'll bring in some rain Friday into Saturday and Sunday. There are the winds, still off the lake, keeping that consistent. 24 to 29, warmest temps will be in the upper 20s in the city, not as cold as what we have seen. And then a cloudy start, plenty of sunshine by afternoon, 39 to 45 as those winds still off the lake. A 7-day forecast, mid-40s Thursday and Friday. But we'll have rain showers come on Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures warmer, near 50 degrees. This is where we should be, and then we do have a little bit of some cooler weather early next week where we're keeping some rain in the forecast. See how excited I was in the beginning of Duffinately Weather? I'm coming off that high. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it's Duffinately Weather.